Hello, I'm Hyrum, and I will be giving you a walkthrough through Scratch. If you don't already have an account, go and make one right now using one of these join buttons. Otherwise, sign in and follow me. When you first sign in, you'll see right here what's happening. It will show you the 5 most recent things. They will be in order from most recent at the top to the oldest ones at the bottom. On the right, there's just some Scratch news. And now let's create a project. It will take some time to load. And when it does load, I'd probably click the tutorial if I was just signing on for the first time. You can see all of the tutorials there are, and some of them will have you create or add extensions. The extensions are here. Before you do anything on Scratch, let's give it a name. Hello. If you add anything new, make sure to save it before you leave the page. Right here you'll see this Scratch icon, and you can go back to the Scratch homepage. You can see projects here, or you could see them in Explore. You could search up a project if you want to find one project, or if you want to find the projects by a certain user, you could search up their username. And this is what will show up. Right here in the ideas, it just brings you back to the tutorial. And you can go back to the Scratch using this Scratch button. 10. You can remix projects, going and clicking on them, which will bring you to their homepage, and you click this green remix button with the shrill. It will take a little minute to load, just like making a project. And when you do that, it brings you here to all of the project's coding here. Scratch uses blocks, and all you really need to know is that the sprites will do what they're told to do, same as the backdrop, which is here. You can change up the projects however you would like. And when you're done remixing them, you can share them. You can go to your profile, which will bring you here. You can put about me and things I'm working on. Then right here, there's what I've been doing, and it shows the 4 most recent things that you have done, in order from the newest things you've done to the oldest things you've done. You can go down and see your favorited projects, your featured projects, and you can see the studios I follow. I create. You can also see who's following you and who your followers are right here. And you can go on to the profile and go down to their comment section. They may post some things, or someone else may ask them a question. If you comment on my homepage to follow me, I will go and follow you. If you go to someone else's homepage, you will find a follow button right here. Normally would be blue, but I'm already following this scratcher. Sure. Apparently he doesn't have anything about himself, but he's got things that he's been working on. Huh. That's all for today. See you on my next video.